Hello everyone. I hope you are fine at your homes, right? So we are going to start the practice zones of this chapter, that is chapter number 15 of your discovering book, Wind, Storms and Cyclones. So first question of the first practice zone is, what is the weather? बेटा weather क्या होता है? It is simply day to day atmospheric condition जो हमारे around होता रहता है, that is the weather. And it keeps on changing hourly. ये 2-3 घंटे बाद ही change हो जाता है. It could change also, it may remain same also. So this is a short period of time of the atmospheric condition at a particular place, that is the weather, right? Next is, what does the air, why does the air exerts pressure? That we know that beta everything like gases, liquids and solids are made up of the molecules, and in the gases, that is in air, the molecules are far away from each other, right? So due to that, they even the molecules are having random motions in all the directions, right? So whenever they are moving in all the directions, they start colliding with each other. Due to their collisions with each other, they exert forces on each other, and which causes the pressure of the air, right? Next comes, what are the wind vanes and the anemometers? Wind vanes are the instruments that are used to find out the direction of the wind, whereas anemometers help us to find out the speed of the wind. And a wind vane is having a arrow which is pointing towards from which side the wind is blowing. So it consists of a cock shaped structure which aligns itself in the direction in which from which the wind is blowing, whereas an anemometer have 4 cups which starts rotating, which are fixed to a one axle which is rotating like this. These cups start rotating when the wind blows, and the number of cycles, number of rotations of these cups per unit in a given time tells us the speed of the wind. Clear? Next comes, what do you understand by the summer monsoons? What are the summer monsoons, beta? These are the winds which blow from ocean towards the land. We know that in summers land becomes hot very much as compared to the oceans, so it rises up, and rising air causes low pressure over the land, and due to which the cool air from the ocean starts taking its place, right? So this causes the monsoons towards the Indian area, whereas after that in winters land cools down as faster as compared to the oceans, so all the winds return back to the ocean, because at that time ocean के ऊपर low pressure create हो जाता है due to warmer air above the ocean, and the wind returns and its direction gets reversed. Next is, write any 3 uses of the wind. The wind के कोई भी 3 uses we can write out anything, like when the windmills are used to use the wind energy and convert it into electrical, and also sailboats use wind to sail to change the direction के लिए भी we need wind. Also winnowing के लिए, winnowing is a process of separating the grains from the chaff. जो chaff बेटा dust होता है या फिर कोटिंग होती है सीड्स की, दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड टू बी रिमूव, तो विंड के साथ जो हल्के शाफ होती है वो उड़ जाती है, एंड सीड्स बीइंग हैवियर और द ग्रेन्स बीइंग हैवियर दे डू नॉट ब्लो विद द विंड. Next is, what do you understand by the natural disasters? These are the disasters which occur naturally. Disasters are those violently rotating, or they could be anything like the disasters caused by the nature which get violent, causing damage to life and property, are called natural disasters, such as earthquake, floods and cyclones. These are the disasters which occur by nature, right? So there is no role of human being in these, so these are the natural disasters. Next is, give any 3 measures for the safety measures for the cyclones. So you can write any of the 3 for upcoming or during the cyclone or after that. like you can stay indoors and you should not stay closer to the windows and the doors because they may burst open and they may cause injuries. Protect yourself from the debris. जो हवा में उड़ने वाली debris होती है वो आपके लग सकती है, so you should protect from them also. Next is name 3 cyclone prone areas in the world. First is the Indian part, that is eastern coastals. Philippines coastal areas of Australia are more prone to the cyclones. Next is for practice zone 4. What is tornado? Tornado क्या होता है? It is a violently rotating storm, windstorm, which is spinning in the center, and it is from downside like this to the upward side. That is from the in the center. It is having a low pressure region, and this funnel shape is said to be the vortex, and it sucks everything जो भी इसके अंदर आता है वो सभी कुछ ये suck कर लेता है, खींच लेता है अपनी side and throw it away from itself, and at the very very large distances बड़ी बड़ी कारें buildings भी ये suck कर लेता है अपने अंदर. Next is what should be the measures should be taken during the tornadoes. First is we should rush down to the basement area of the house. अगर कोई basement area है नीचे वहाँ पे चले जाना चाहिए because that is a much safer place. Other is shut the windows and the doors and take shelter under the furniture. We should sit under the hard furniture to protect ourselves. And other is crouch down your knees, protecting your head. We should put our head in the side and the knees. उनके अंदर head protector रहेगा, so we should do that. Next is what is tornado alley. Tornado alley is a place. It is a place where the tornadoes occur very frequently. तो उस जगह का name है, and it is in United States, right? So that is why it is called as tornado alley. So these are the practice zones. In the next part we will study about the question answers of the which are the extra question answers. So thanks for watching.